welcome back to the channel. I got a new one for you today. We're here to pick up, and we're in Smiths Grove, Kentucky, to pick up this little Sprinter motorhome. As you can see, we got the wheel grids on. These are actually Jerr-Dan bus bars. Never seen these on the channel because honestly I've never used them, so it's my first time with them too. We've had them for a while, just never had to use them, but today we're going to in this motorhome. It's got electrical issues, so we're going to get set up, and I'll turn you back on in just a minute. It's a big contraption, huh, guys? It's heavy too. That's why we put them on. I put them on at the shop before I left. And there ain't really any place in this truck to store them, so. Get the tilt out, get her flat. Let's back up some. Turn the other camera on. We may have to do some adjusting on those several different holes to make them smaller or bigger, so I just put them where I thought it might work. It might not. We may have to move them, but we'll pull underneath of it and see first. Slide it underneath and see. I don't know if you guys can. Kind of like a regular wheel lift. Of course, I've used wheel lift a bunch of times, just not a bus lift. We're gonna have to move our, if I keep it here, we're gonna have to move the back. I think we will move the front part forward instead of the, see that pipe slides in and out, if you guys can see, and you can slide it to the back, but if I slide it to the back, it's probably going to get close to this. So let's see. If I slide the front forward, then I can use the back where it's at probably. So let's, how far forward do we need to go? Oops. Get my gloves. Trial and error. Not error, error. I don't know what the right word is. We'll just keep messing with it till it works. How about that? Let's see if that's about right. See, those slide out once we get underneath there, so. All right, let's see what we got there. up far enough, but let's go all the way to the front, I guess. Hopefully this works. If not, we'll have to mess with the back one. Yeah, I think so. I think it'll be fine. All right. Let's see what they look like. They look good. We're lifting tires, not hitting the lower control arms. Got clearance there, so the tires are doing the lift. We'll get our straps and strap her down. Tighten this one. Oh yeah. It's not going anywhere. Alright. Now we'll do the drive shaft. I don't know what kind of bolts we got. Looks like small Torx. I'm gonna lift it up a little higher so we can get underneath there. With some Torx sockets. Let's see. I got a whole kit. Grab the kit. That way we go underneath there one time. I don't know if I've ever used this kit. Let's see if it's 3/8 or 1/2 inch drive. I don't know. Looks like probably gonna be the 3/8 because they look small. So we'll take that. Let's grab a. Do I have a 1/2 to 3/8 adapter? I don't know how tight they are. 3/8 ratchet might get them. Yeah. No, it's a 1/2 inch to 1/2 inch. Huh. Something I need to put in here if I don't have one. I don't see one. There'll be one in here next time. I'll tell you that. Hopefully 3/8 is going to break them loose. We'll see. I'm going to turn this camera off for a minute because you're going to be upside down under there. I got the other camera going. I was able to get the jump pack on it and get it into neutral. It feels like most of the tension is off of it now. These are 14 Torx, just in case anybody needs to know. External Torx, of course. There's 2 of them out. You guys should have been with us last night. We had I didn't have the cameras with me, but we had a Range Rover in the lake. Only thing you could see pretty much was the license plate. Luckily it was close enough to the road where we could back the road back up to the edge and then run the bed back as far as we could and tilt down. I laid on the Dad ran the bed out. I laid on the deck of the row back on my belly and fished around with a J-hook and finally was able to hook a rear wheel. If it wasn't so, that close to the bank, then we probably would have had a diver or at least a boat come in. But we got lucky on that one. It still followed us all the way out. We only took one row back. We should have took one of the heavies in a row back, because the water comes right up to the very edge of the road. It's a straight drop off blacktop road, so I'll probably have to get a hammer or a pry bar. It's going to be stuck, I think. So let me go get that. I should have got that already, but I didn't. So let's take these tools, put them up while we're at it. We finally got it out last night though. I wish I'd had my cameras. I wasn't thinking. Honestly, when they called, I was thinking, but they said that it was just barely off in the water halfway, which wasn't the case when we got there. I'll be right back, guys. We're back. There we go. That did the trick. Just stuck in there a little bit. So I hold it over. Just gonna hold it up. It ain't going anywhere. Good deal, good deal. Good deal, there's seal. Alright. Go up here. I still got the jump box on it. So we'll go up here, unplug that, and we're getting close. Back tires are rolling. It's good. We'll pull it in and push it back out some. Oh yeah. Yeah, there we go. Deadbolt's latched. We'll go ahead and latch that too. Lock that. Latched. 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 Light bars on. Safety. Drive shaft's out. Latch, latch, latch. Alright. Safety chain's on. Tire strapped down. That's a hookup. I think it took longer to do that than it did a semi. Okay guys, we made it here to Mercedes of Louisville. Safe trip, no issues. Get unhooked here. I already turned the light bar off, and then I went and got the camera. just had to put new batteries in this light bar last week. It lasted about a year and a half, I guess. We started to do the Milwaukee M18 upgrade, but I decided this time we just put the batteries in, try it one more time. A lot going on around here. Traffic was horrible, but it always is on the way to Louisville. So lift her up and take her straps off the drive shaft. A little tight fit for this curb. That one. All right, exhaust pipe's gonna hang it, or we don't have to put a strap on it. Things are going to get it in and work on it right away, so I think that's what the owner said. I'm gonna have to find something to chock the wheels with. I'll set the parking brake, but I'd like to find something to chock the wheels with too if I can. This worked out all right. I'm just kind of weird about it, both sides being the same. So we got more red straps in the truck, but they're still new in the package, so I didn't want to open them up. We're going to use that in a minute to tie the wheel grids together on the back side, just for safety. Go ahead and take his strap off over on this side. pretty weather today. Tomorrow, today's supposed to be 62, but tomorrow it's supposed to rain. Temperature's supposed to drop throughout today and change to snow and get down into the low 20s. And Saturday, it's only going to get like 34, something like that. And then down to 23. And then it warms back up. Hopefully to stay. We're today's like February 15th, day after Valentine's Day. So I'm done with winter for sure. I don't like winter anyway. Let her down a little bit. I'll scoot it back. Nothing behind us. Nothing close at least. Bring back in a little bit. And let's let her down a little more, and then we'll get in and set the brake. I'll put one of my blocks under it for now, and then when I go in there, I'll ask them if they have any that they can put in there. Where this water came from. There's water in the seat there. I don't know where that came from. I'm not sure. Huh. I wouldn't like that when we... And here's the bolts, and see there's water in the floorboard here. I don't know. Not sure where that came from. Not us though. Let's get a wood block. It's kind of downhill right here. The brake felt like it set good, but we'll get a block just in case. Not going to roll backward for sure. This is downhill. Let's slide back. Yep. Well, almost. Let's push back with the lift a little bit. Or out. Yeah, that gave us some room there, it looks like. And to spin it to, this is flat right here. So spin it there and slide it all the way in to clear the tire. Yeah, this way too. So we'll spin it around. So it's round all the way around, then flat right here. That'll give us a little extra room. All right, we should be able to suck the lift in now. Oh yeah. I don't think we can clear still, so pick it up just a hair and pull forward. Let's pull forward a little bit. How you doing? Alright, just pick our lift up. I had this strap here just for safety. These can't come all the way out because they're pinned in, but to not take a chance, I went ahead and bungee corded them when they're on the way to get this. I I might ratchet. See, when this goes up, the only thing holding these on is this pin. If that pin was to break, which I don't think it ever would, but if it was, then those pieces would just fall straight off. For one, we would lose them, which are probably expensive. For two, they could hit somebody, which would be really bad, obviously. So let's ratchet strap them for a safety. Can't ever be too safe. Like I say, I don't think these are really needed, but what's it hurt? See? Didn't hurt a thing. Rather be safe than sorry. Is that the old adage? So when I fold it up, I'll show you what I mean. I'm sure those pins would never break. Those are probably 5/8 or probably 3/4 pins. But this way, if they do, we have a strap too, so. And that's it. All right, guys, I'm going to turn the camera off, take the keys into them, check it in, see if they have a different block to swap me out with. So we'll make the trip back to Beaver-Dan. We're a couple hours away, probably. Well, depends on traffic, obviously, but road construction was pretty bad. But anyway, a couple hours away, and we'll be back home. There's a Harley-Davidson dealer over there. Huh. All right, guys, thank you. Catch you on the next one.